it's much more focused because of Chinese angle, because of, after all, this bloc which is included in Vietnam. China has also asked for international tender, which include this 107. Now they say anybody, they even told India through some demarches last year that if OBL wants to explore there, they must take Chinese permission, otherwise illegal. Vietnam says no. We have sovereign right to give you, because under the international law of seas, we are having 200 miles, nautical miles. So there is a kind of angle, more emphasis because of how China will react. Secondly, this has to be seen in the whole complex issue of how China has been asserting in South China Sea, relation with Japan, Vietnam, Philippines, you go down the line. So we must say that, look, our relationship with Vietnam is more than 60 years old, during their war against America also. We have been holding the high esteem of visits to this, all kind of visits have taken place. Vietnam president, vice president, prime minister, speaker, secretary, they have come in the past.
There's a serious regional balancing policy in Vietnam's mind also, and so as in the context of India, as the China factor is concerned. But as many say that India's ties with Vietnam must break with the sentimentalism of the past. Do you really agree with that, Professor Kaul?
Well, I have also seen this article in where the analyst has talked about that we must not only believe in talking about the sentimental years, but we should be, there should be real politics. And I think we are going ahead, as Ambassador Kumar has said, that things were always good with Vietnam, and there are new equations and new developments are taking place. And it's not that Vietnam is only building strategic partnership with us, the term strategic partnership, which is very much in vogue, but with other countries also. And in this new equations, of course, India is a very important partner, and Vietnam wants us